What's up, guys? It's Jordan here. I first just want to say welcome to the Winners Association. And secondly, I just want to say, let's get this money. If you join, you obviously are looking for something different and a way to make money. If it's just from your home, if you just want a second source of income, we're legitimately going to show you guys. I promise you. And so first, let's just come to my affiliate network just to show you guys, that this is the real deal. Like we're legitimately making money. This isn't my MCA back office. This is the one of the networks that I've made money on with online. And you can see just this year, it's the 22nd of March, and I made 14,000. And this is just one of my networks, right? So let's come back to Facebook. So before we actually begin and go into the nitty gritty, I first just want to say you guys have to think of the internet like a highway, right? So no matter what time of the night that you're on that highway or time of the day, there are going to be cars going up and down the highway, constantly traveling, right? So what makes Facebook and social media such a powerful tool to market on is that there are hundreds and millions of people online at any time of the day, right? And so not only that, but it's intertwined in everything we do. So all you really have to do is find the right people online with the right product, and it's going to sell no matter what. No matter what. And so Facebook is very powerful because it kind of niches all of not all of but a lot of like-minded people. And not only that, but we can also use all the data that Facebook is gathering on us to then market to the people. Excuse me. So where I began making a lot of money early on in my career was group posting, right? And it was just a way that I was using just free organic Facebook traffic to generate and sell products. So let's come to the groups on Facebook. If you've never actually gone into the groups, you can just come here to your Explorer on the left and go down to groups, right? And these will be like the groups that you're in or that have like pending invites. These are the ones that I'm actually in. And then you have the discover groups where you can come and just find groups that you actually want to join or potentially join. So these groups have millions of targeted leads within them, and they're based around certain things. So movies and TVs, hobbies and leisures, business, all kinds of things, right? So let's say you had some dog products, like some leashes, right? You can go into like a discover tab, like hobbies and leisures, and you could find groups where dog lovers are, right? And so if you post an ad that's pleasing to the eye, and it has a good price, it might sell simply because it's in front of the right people. It's not just online somewhere. It's in front of people that have dogs, right? So think about it. If you guys are trying to sell MCA memberships, memberships for people that, want to learn how to make money online, want to learn how to, just generate another source of income, you're going to want to look for business-minded people that want to work from home, right? So you can either come to the Discover, you can come, just simply to the search tab, but you can find these groups. So what you want to do is you want to find work from home groups. So here you can just scroll down, you can find the business tab, right? Or you can find it up here and you can click. So let's just click this. And so it'll bring up some, some suggestions for business. So you don't really mind like the free Bitcoin, but find things like work from home ops, and things of that nature. And so if they're not making any more suggestions on this side, you can just come here and go, work from home opportunities. And so before you go joining all these groups, what you'll need to do is you need to go into them and do a little research on them, right? So what you'll need to do is go into these groups and see if people are highly engaged on them, because it's one thing to post some ads in these groups, But it's another thing, to post ads and have people liking and sharing and commenting it, right? And so obviously we want engagement, because that's going to lead to sales. So let's just come down and see if people are engaging and talking. So the very first ad looks like somebody promoting a travel company, looking to train 7 new people, blase, blase. But when you come down, you see people are actually engaging. They're asking for info. They're interested. And let's skip back 1 second. You want to look at the members, like the number of members. I prefer over 100,000, but anywhere between 25,000 to 100,000 is okay, right? And one more thing I want to say is, just because one of these groups has 100,000 millions or something like that, it could have all these members, but if they're not engaging, if they're not liking the post and sharing and actually looking what's going on in the group, it's no point, right? So you just want to just look in these groups and see if people are asking. So you see another thing, info. People are asking info, right? So I want you guys to add as many groups as possible, like as many groups. The more the better, because the more times you post, the more chances people will have to see your ad, and the more people that can potentially join your business. So let's go into this one and see. Oh, I haven't joined this one, but look at this. She said, name your residual income opportunities below. 200 comments. That's amazing, right? So that's the kind of things you want to see. 1,500 new posts every day, 44,000 members, 10,000 plus in the last 30 days. That's good. That's people that are actively joining. 10,000. So that's step one. Find groups with targeted leads for your MCA business. And so you can come here and type in all types of things. Work from home moms. You can do work from home New York if you live in places like New York. Anything. Just add as many as you can so that you can then go on to step 2. So step 2 is you want to create a fan page. So if you never created a fan page, you can come here to the little tab on the right and you can create page. If you're on a mobile phone, yeah, you might have to do a little searching, but I can just come to one of the pages that I've already created. And I can show you some of the things that I was posting. So you want to just post some aesthetically pleasing pictures, which just means pictures that are pleasing to the eye. Things that are flashy that people want to see. So I'm motivated by cars and private planes and just luxury things. So that's why I put these pictures up here. You just want to attract people. People wonder, well, what's this page going on, right? So if you scroll down, you can see just some things that I'm posting, some motivational things, simple things, right? Just to give your page some character, just so you're not posting little spammy ads all day, right? So I think that's enough. You guys understand, how you guys need to build your page. Just add some content to it, some pictures, some quotes that can motivate, and just inspire people, things like that. So now we'll just come to the top, and I'll show you just like some of the ads that I've used to make money in some of these groups. So here you can see I just have a simple money video, but this is something like if you post in these work from home groups, it's going to attract people. And I'm not going to lie, money videos are what works the best. So I would suggest you can either make your own, which we'll have a template for in the group, or you can just use some that you find online. So you can use something like this, and I'll show you guys how to actually post in the groups. So what you'll need to do is share this. So you'll just do share to a page, and what you need to do is go to here, and then you'll need to come to the top here and go to share in a group. And then you'll just type in whatever groups that you have, and then you want to type what's called like the ad, right? So you'll want to do what's called a call to action, just a line to get people to, want to see what's going on. So I would put like, man, man, what this kid did is sick. You got to see how. You got to see here. And then I will also put something like this post, share this post, comments, info. And so this part is very important because it's going to give you additional free traffic, right? So when people are liking and sharing and commenting, I'm sorry, on a post that's shared in a group, it's not only, it's going to keep the post at the top of the group, like on the page, and it's also going to show up on the people that are engaging with your post on their timeline. So if they share this post, it's going to show on their timeline, and then additional people may see it, that are friends with them. And that's how you can really just get things to go viral, and you can get massive amounts of traffic to little ads where you're just posting for free, right? So do this, post it, and literally I would suggest only posting in one group, or posting in a group once a day. And there are ways to automate this. There are group posting bots online. I personally didn't use the group posting bots, but if you just want to do that, turn it on in the morning before you go, and then just come back to money in your MCA account. You got it. So it's really that simple, guys. I promise you, like, if you do this every day for 30 days, you will make 3 sales. I promise you. If you do it correctly, if you take your time, get some legit and some good looking ads, and you just take your time and post it and find groups that are highly engaged, you will get sales. I promise. So that's method. The first method we're going to teach you guys, free traffic with group posting on Facebook. I hope you guys make some money. And that's it.